Hello friends, this is Peter here. Today we are going to talk about the TradingView chart. How to get all the TradingView chart features free of cost. What are the features available in the TradingView? I'm not going to cover all the features, but few features I'm going to cover which technical analysts, those who do in a technical analysis, those who do in a back testing use this. Okay. What are the features available there and how to get those features free of cost? What is the cost of those features? That also we'll look into it. Here I have opened a TradingView chart. This is a plan for every level. Okay, see, monthly charges you have to pay 2,500 plus to get all the features in TradingView, and here essential is there, that is 1,295 with all taxes. If I take it, it will around be around 1,500 something, and this is around 2,700 something, and premium feature is 5,500 something will come with all GST taxes and all. Okay, to access this TradingView chart all features you need to pay this. How to get this free of cost? That is the main thing what we are going to look into it. Now I'll go to the TradingView chart. What are the features for we need to pay for it? Okay, this is a TradingView chart where I cannot add more than 2 indicators. If I try to add more than 2 indicators, like I'll just add one sum, see, it is asking for an upgradation. We need to pay for it. Okay, I cannot add that. Now if at all I want to see 2 chart at a time, see example, I click here, I want to see 2 chart at a time. I cannot see 2 chart at a time in the TradingView. What is the use of this 2 chart? That technical analysis people know very well. See, sometimes they use 2 chart, half one is Nifty and another is Bank Nifty, to see both the indices has given a breakout, or Bank Nifty or HDFC combination. If HDFC has given a breakout, Bank Nifty will definitely go up. Those things, technical analysis, though a lot of people see all those things. Okay, so you cannot add more than 2 indicator in the TradingView chart. Okay, also you cannot see multiple chart in the TradingView. And if at all you want to see the bar replay, who sees this bar replay? Bar replay, those who do in a back testing. What is the use of bar replay? I'll show you in the coming slides. So if at all you want to have a bar replay, example, you want to start a bar replay from this point, okay, and you want to do an analysis after drawing a support and resistance, whether this breaks ups or down, whether your support and resistance work properly, those things if you want to see, okay, you need to pay for it. This is the main feature. See example, I'll click here, I'll click bar replay and click here. Let me see it is asking for a subscription. Okay, you cannot see the bar replay here, you cannot do the bar replay. It is majorly used features, bar replay, where you can do in a back testing based on your support and resistance, your trend line, your head and shoulder pattern, whatever maybe you are learning, those bar replay is necessary for them. Okay, you cannot do in a bar replay in TradingView. And mainly this spine editor, this is not required for everyone. This spine editor is those who know a coding, to do a coding their own indicator, they do this spine editor. Okay, this is not required for all the traders. Highly educated people, those who know the coding, they use this spine editor. Okay, I'm leaving this spine editor. Okay, all these features, and you can have here, see the watch list. Okay, lot more features are there. How to get these features free of cost? Let me take you to other website. Okay, this is TradingView. You have seen the TradingView chart, right? I'm opening the same look like TradingView chart, which is a Fyers trading platform. This is Fyers has integrated with TradingView, so it is same TradingView chart has been provided in the Fyers. Okay, you can see the watch list here. Okay, watch list same like TradingView chart. Okay, and you can add multiple indicator here for a free of cost. See here already the 6 indicators been shown here. Okay, I'll just add few more indicator and show you. See advanced decline level, see one more indicator added, it has got added. Anchored VWAP I added, and AngelOne indicator I have added. Lot more, whatever indicator you want, you can add multiple indicator in this chart. This is a TradingView chart only. Okay, the main feature of this this Fyers chart is, I could say, it is amazing. I do technical analysis in this in this Fyers chart only. You have this plus button, you can click here and you can start create your order. You can buy, sell from here. Your buy order will show here, the price will show up here, what is the price you bought and what is the target you have placed, target also will show up here, and what is the stop loss you have placed, this stop loss also will show up here, and what is the profit loss will show on the chart itself. I have made a video on this. Those who are not seen, you can see my playlist on the on the face chart. You can see those videos. Okay, you will see a P&L in the chart itself, and you can see the chart. And if you want to trial your stop loss, you can just drag up or drag down your stop loss. It is a drag and drop feature, we say in the TradingView chart, in the face chart. So you can do that also in the face chart. Okay, this is all free of cost. See, you can see the multiple chart here. I am just adding 2 chart here. Okay, you can see the 2 charts here. One is mid cap. You can change this chart to whatever, like if you want Bank Nifty or Nifty. I'm just adding Bank Nifty. I have added a Bank Nifty here. You can see Bank Nifty chart, and mainly time frame. Okay, you can see the time frame. If I want to change the time frame here, Face has come up with a seconds time frame update. You can use seconds time frame, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute. And in TradingView, if you want to use this seconds time frame, you need to pay for it. I'll just open TradingView. I'll just open 10 seconds. You need to pay for it. But here you will get it and free of cost. I can click on the 15 seconds time frame. This chart is looking 15 seconds time frame. This multiple chart option is available here in the Face trading platform. Right. The feature where you will get free of cost. One is I showed you the multiple chart option. Second is indicator, multiple indicator, and the second time frame you will get free of cost. Now you will ask, where is the bar replay? To get the bar replay, you need to go for one more website. Okay, same time I want to tell you, if you want to open your account in Face trading platform, I will leave a link on the description. Just click on the link and you can open your account in the Face trading platform. Now coming to a main point, that backtesting part. For this, you need to go one more website that just you need to log in. That's it. You don't need to open your account on that. One more thing I wanted to tell you, that Face trading platform is a free of cost. You no need to pay any maintenance charges, yearly, annual maintenance charges. Account opening charges is free. All is free. Okay, even this is a discount broker. You can trade flat 20 rupees per execution, and also delivery is free. Okay, right. All other features you will get here. You can trade in this TradingView, in this Face. And for backtesting, you need to go gocharting.com. Okay, I have opened Nifty in the gocharting.com. Right, dismiss this. Right. Okay, now how to access this backtesting part? If I access from here backtesting, you know that market has come down. Drag down and make chart a same level and go back. Okay, go back previous whatever date you want to do in a backtesting. Okay, double click on the chart, click on the bar replay. Okay, and double click on the chart. Okay, now you can see these candles got closed. From here only it has started. Okay, this is the bar replay option. Who uses this bar replay? Those who want to backtest their strategy, those who want to backtest their accuracy based on support and resistance, based on the symmetrical triangle pattern, based on head and shoulder pattern, whatever may be, whatever you have learned. Now I'll just play the backtesting. Okay, let me draw a support at this point. Just for an example, I'm showing it. Okay, it is not that I'm teaching you anything, just for I had drawn a support here and a small resistance is here. Okay, all right, let me see what happens here. Market people will buy in the support zone and people will sell in the resistance zone. If breakout is given, see in the support zone it has tested, here it has tested second time, and rejection they got, people will buy at this point also. Okay, and they'll sell at this point. Let me see, they will keep their stop loss below this and they take a target of this. Okay, see whether it hits a target or not. I have not seen the chart anything. Okay, just drawn a support and resistance. Almost it has given a target. See, it has given a target, right? It has given a target. Now you can see from here what is the 21,905 to 22,127. Huge profit has given here. What is the use of this bar replay? That is what I'm showing. This is how the backtesting has been done in the bar replay. This is useful for those who are testing their strategy, those who are testing their accuracy level on the market. For them this is useful. the bar replay. You can go, as I said, in the Go Charting, and you can start doing your back testing in the Go Charting. This is free of cost. There is no charges required for this. Now I have covered almost all the features of TradingView chart where you are getting free of cost. Hope this video is helpful for you, and there is no required to do any subscription of TradingView chart where you will get these features free of cost in Fyers, and also in the Go Charting you need to go for a bar replay, that backtesting strategy, backtesting part. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video. Will come up more videos with lot of information where traders will get benefited on it. Thank you once again.